Well, this is really not how I thought this video was going to end.
Do you want to make videos like these?
Rolling up colonies, red coat hats on my list. G-Dub on the track, better brace for the
Then head over to this website called Hydra. They are currently in their beta testing phase, so all you need to do is click on Try Beta and sign up for an account. Then you will be brought to this page. First, we're going to generate our audio. I'm going to copy and paste a funny story that ChatGPT generated for me into this box. Now we must choose a voice to use in our video. I'm going to select this voice called Dr. Von Fusion.
It is not so important to know everything as to appreciate what we learn.
Next, we are going to generate a character. You can even upload your own image if you want, but I'm going to generate a brand new image. For this, I asked ChatGPT for a prompt and inserted it into the text box. Next, click on Create. All right, our image is looking good. Now all we need to do is hit Generate Video. This may take a minute or two, so I'm going to fast forward it. Let's watch our video.
A man goes for a job interview at a tech company. The interviewer says, "We need someone responsible." The man replies, "I'm your man. In my last job, whenever anything went wrong, they said I was responsible."
Okay, that was pretty good. But what about creating a video where a person is singing like the one we saw earlier?
tea parties in Boston when you sip no tea.
For this, I'm going to use the same image as the potato guy. So click on the remix button right here. Now what we need to do is add an audio file. I'm going to head over to VoiceMod to create a song. Sign up for a free account, then click on Text to Song and choose a song style that you like. Next, pick a singer from their list. Finally, we're going to insert some lyrics into this box right here. I went over to ChatGPT again and asked it to generate a funny rap song about potatoes. Okay, now just hit Create Song. Let's have a listen. Perfect. Now head back over to Hydra. What you want to do is just import the audio we just downloaded and hit Generate Video. Again, I sped up the video because it takes a couple of minutes. Before we listen to our masterpiece, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more AI content.